children. Hopefully you all are fine. Today I'll be teaching you the chapter triangles and its properties, and I have chosen the chapter from class 7 syllabus. Now we all know about the triangle. What is a triangle called? A figure bounded by a closed figure bounded by the three sides are known as triangle. So it is enclosed by three sides. So this figure is known as triangle. If it will be enclosed by four sides by any ways, then it will be a quadrilateral. Anyways, it's a particular way. Anyway, if I would enclose it by four sides, then it will be called quadrilateral. If it would be enclosed by five sides, then it will be called pentagon. 6 sides, then hexagon. 7, then heptagon. 8, then octagon. 9, nonagon. 10, decagon. So depending on the number of sides, we name the figure. Now we are discussing about a triangle. So how many definitions you will get related to a triangle? As here we have 3 sides and 3 vertices. These points are called vertices. One single point is called vertex. In the plural form, we call it as a vertices. Here we have 3 vertex, so there are 3 vertices. So these points are called vertices, and those are called angles. How an angle is formed? In the earlier classes also I taught, like if 2 rays coming out from the single starting point, then they form an angle. So here we can say, think of that, BC and BA are the 2 rays starting from the point B, therefore B is an angle. Likewise C and A, all are angles. So come back to the topic. We are discussing about the definitions of a triangle. How many definitions you can get in a triangle? Mainly we get 6 definitions. How? Related to sides we get 3 definitions, and related to the angles we get 3 definitions. Now related to sides we get like equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, equilateral, isosceles, scalene. When 3 sides are equal, then the triangle is known as equilateral triangle. When 2 sides, any 2 sides of a triangle are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. When no 2 sides are equal, then it is called scalene triangle. So related to the sides we have got 3 definitions. Now related to the angles we will say acute angle, angled triangle, angle and D. It is a short form of angled. Acute, angled, triangle, obtuse, angled, triangle, right angled triangle. Now what is acute angle triangle? If the measure of each of the angles of a triangle, is less than 90 degree, then it's called acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle, if measure of one angle, not each, not all, any one angle of a triangle is more than 90 degree, then it is called obtuse angled triangle. Right angle triangle, if the measure of one angle is a right angle, that means a 90 degree, then it is called right angle triangle. So in this case, acute angle, we have to mention each of the angle, but in other two cases, obtuse and right angle, we cannot say each of the angle. It's not possible. Each angle can never be an obtuse angle or a right angle. So any one of the three angles, if obtuse, then it is called obtuse angle, or if it is a right angle, then it's called right angle triangle. So mainly we have got this 6 definitions. Now there comes median altitudes. Median means what? If you draw a line from any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. If you suppose A is a point, then opposite to A is BC the side. Here you choose the midpoint. Suppose it is M. If you draw a line, then it is called median. So median may be this way also, as it is an equilateral triangle, so we have seen like that. Suppose it is a triangle, then for finding the median, what will be? Here from you find the midpoint and join it up. Why I have drawn another triangle? Because to show you the difference of these two. Actually, as it is an equilateral triangle, the median and the altitudes are both same. Now median and altitudes. What this two means? Median is a line drawn from any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median. And altitude is a line drawn from a vertex to the drawn perpendicular from a vertex to the opposite side is called a altitude. So here, as it is an equilateral triangle, median and altitude become the same. For an isosceles triangle also it happens. Two medians and one median is equal to the altitudes. Here, if we need to make the another two medians, here from you find the midpoint, join it up, M and here also, here you find the midpoint. So here we have noticed that all the medians have passes through a single point. This point we name as G. It is called actually centroid. Now what about the altitudes? These are all medians I have drawn. Altitude means you are not to choose the midpoint, you have to draw perpendicular from one vertex to the opposite side. Have you noticed? We have drawn AM in such a way so that it makes 90 degree with the base. Here from, if I do the perpendicular, it will not exactly come at the middle. Here at somewhere it will come, so that to make 90 degree. Here from also, if I would make a perpendicular, it will come so in this case we have seen that by altitude the sides are not bisected equally. This part and these parts are not equal, but for median, while taking the median divides the opposite side into two equal parts. These two parts are equal, here these two are equal, here these two are equal. So it's a very important matter that many of you have confusion about, that why medians and altitudes are not same. But sometime this median and altitudes become same only in case of equilateral triangle, because while drawing the perpendicular it will cut at a midpoint only. So medians and altitudes are same in case of median and in case of equilateral triangle. So now I have discussed about the triangles. Now I'll be discussing the properties of triangles. Main properties of a triangle is A, B and C, sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, or you can say is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This property is known as angle sum property of a triangle. This property is known as angle sum property of a triangle. So in case of this, A plus B plus C will always gives you 180 degree. Let's do few sums to clear the topic. I have taken Ratnasagar book as usual and doing the exercise 10A, question number 2. If the measure of two angles of a triangle are 52 degree and 78 degree, find the measure of the third angle. Obviously, it is clear that whenever we need to find any one of the angle, we need to get the other two angles, measurement of the angles. So here 3 angles, so we also need 2 angles earlier, then can be taken out the third one. So let the measure of the third angle be x degree. Given part we could write earlier also. Given the measure of the two angles are 52 and 78 degree. Now what shall we do? This plus this will give you 52 degree plus 78 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. Here we will write the reason. Angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. So just to you add up. X degree is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree, so it will give you 50 degree. Therefore the third angle is 50 degree. Question number 3. Here we are given few measurements. We will mention let the angles be, we can suppose as ABC, or simply also you can add up the numbers. By naming A, B and C, let's do. A is 2x minus 7 degree, x plus 25, C 3x plus 12. Now again by angle sum property, A plus B plus C, now angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Two x minus 7 degree plus x plus 25 degree. Without writing degrees, we will calculate. This degree also we will remove. 180. Now go on calculating. Oh, sorry. 2x, x, 3x. 3x, 3x plus 3x, 6x. So this three numbers have to be calculated. So I am doing easily, that is 7 and 12, the 5, and 5 plus 25, it's a 30. 180 minus 30. So x is equal to, here it comes 150 by 6. X is equal to 25. Now our sum is not over. We have to take out the angles separately. Therefore, the required angles are angle A, 2x minus 7 whole degree, 2 into 25 minus 7 degree, here it comes 50, 50 minus 7, 43 degree. B, x plus 25 degree, x is 25 plus 25, so it is 50 degree, and C is equal to 3x plus 12 degree, 3 into 25 plus 12, so it is 75 plus 12. Now you check whether these answers are correct or not. If you add up these three, you must get 180 degrees. 7 plus 3, 10, 1 carried, 5 plus 4, 9, 9, 1, 10, and 8, 18. So the total sum comes 180. Therefore, our answer is correct. Question number 4 is said, one of the angle is 110. One of the angle of a triangle is equal to 105 degree. Sorry, 110 degree. 110 degree. And other two are equal. Let the two equal angles be x degree each. According to question, what we get? The sum of the three angles we can write, or directly also we can say. Now let each of the two equal angles be x degree. Now as the two equal angles are x degree plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Sometimes you can keep the degrees along with the numbers, or without degrees also can be calculated. Here it comes to x degree, and this 110 you shift to the right hand side, 180 minus here 70 35 degree. Therefore, the measure of each of the two equal angles is 35 degree. For the remaining question, I am giving you hints. Question number 5. One angle of a triangle is 65 degree. Find the remaining two angles if their difference is 20 degree. Let the smaller of the two remaining angles be x, therefore the other one is 20 plus x degree. Now all the three angles have to be added. 65 degree plus x degree plus 20 plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. So open up the bracket, x and x degree I am making shorter. This 2 will give you twice x. This 2, 65 and 20, if you add up, then will give you 85 degree. So here it is 20 degree, 80 degree, 85 degree, and then 180 degree minus 85 gives you here I am writing 95 degree. For this I am carrying here. Therefore, x degree is equal to 95 degree by 2. So if I would, there it will not be cancelled. 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14.5 degree. So x degree is equal to 47.5 degree. So one angle is 47.5 degree, then other angle will be, you have to add up with this. Only we have taken out the value of x. So we need to find the remaining angles. Therefore, the remaining angles are, one was x, so which means 47.5 degree, and other one was 20 plus x degree. So 20 plus 47.5 degree. So it will give you 67.5 degree. Question number 6. Here we are given one proportion, ratios. So from there we need to find the angles. So let the angles be as the ratio is 5:6:7, so we will take as 5x, 6x and 7x. So now what shall we do? 5x, 6x, 7x, 180 degree. Here in both the cases you have to write angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of quadrilateral are also there, is also there, so we have to mention it's about triangle. Now you get the value of x. After getting x, find out 5x, 6x and 7x separately. And there are many sums. You can do it easily. I think so. I'll be back again with a new exercise. Thank you all. Bye bye.